Hello, how are you guys? I'm working on a 2011 Nissan Altima, and we have a problem. See, these particular cars they use fob key, and this key you're supposed to keep it inside the car. When you go inside the car, you press your brake right, and then press the start button. But what this car do is they say it's no key. It don't recognize the key. There could be a few reasons. Maybe your battery is low, maybe the contacts on the battery is not working, or maybe the fob is not good. But we're not here to fix that right now. What we want to do is help you out how to keep going without using actually the fob key. So what we're gonna do with this fob key is on this Nissan there is a particular spot right here. Right there, you insert the fob right there. Take a look, it's under this button right here. You insert that key right there, and then you do the normal process. You press the brake key, and then you press the push button, and the car start right away. Thank you for watching. I hope this one help you.